Hey, welcome back to Electrically Constructed. I'm Master Electrician Seth Eckel, and we are going into our 9th video of our box fill calculation series. And this is our final rule in the box fill calculation series. This is 314.16b6 terminal block fill. This is going to be the last rule in the series, and after this we are going to be doing a short video on just some challenge questions for all the box fill calculations that we learned. That'll be in the next video, and then we're going into our pole box series. So series number 2 is going to be on all of our pole box calculations, so I'm excited about that. That's going to be a good one, so stay tuned for that. But without wasting any more time, let's get our code books. If you don't have a code book, click the link below, and it can take you to a spot to purchase a code book. But if you have your code book, open it up to article 314.16b6. Let's open our code book to 314.16b6, terminal block fill, and let's get our highlighter and let's highlight that terminal block fill. Okay. Where terminal blocks are present in boxes, a single volume allowance in accordance with table 314.16b4 shall be made for each terminal block assembly based on the largest conductors terminated to the assembly. So once again, we're using our table 314.16b4 for our conductor size volume allowance. So single volume allowance in accordance with that table shall be made for each terminal block assembly based on the largest conductor terminated to the assembly. So basically what they're saying is these are terminal blocks here that can be put into our junction boxes or whatever. Don't really see them too often in small 4x4 square boxes. Usually they're mounted in larger junction boxes, and but what that code rule is telling us is that if you have this mounted in there, one of these would count as a wire volume allowance with the largest wire that is attached to that terminal block. So say I got so this has one in, one out, one in, one out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wires could be attached to this terminal block here. Well, that would still only count as one wire added to your box fill calculation. Pretty simple. Same thing here with this dim rail. The whole set right here, it's only going to count for one more wire. That's pretty crazy. It takes up a lot of space, but as the rule reads, we only have to count it as one more wire, the largest wire attached to this setup here. Same thing here. I got 4 of them, so then it would be 4 more. If I had all 4 of these in a junction box, all 4 of these would count as a wire of the largest wire attached to it. And all right, so let's just highlight the code rule real quick here. What we want to focus on here is that a single volume allowance in accordance with the table. Highlight that, and shall be made for each terminal block assembly based on the largest conductor. So let's say each terminal block assembly based on the largest conductor terminated to that assembly. So that's one assembly. The whole assembly is one wire, not each connection, not each wire, the whole assembly. And that's that rule. That's it. So that's all I got for you on this rule. Nice short video here. Next video we are going to do calculations on everything we learned so far in box fill. So get ready, have your calculator ready, have your code book ready, have some scratch paper ready. We're going to break down the box fill calculations, and after that we are moving on to pole boxes. So big junction boxes, you might have seen in the video in my intro, I had some behind me getting ready for that. So yeah, that will be the next series, is pole boxes, and that is it. So stay sharp, never stop learning. God bless, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video.